Is there a Python equivalent of the C# null-coalescing operator? In C# there's a null-coalescing operator, written as question mark, that allows for easy, short, null checking during assignment. Is there a Python equivalent? I know that I can do. But is there an even shorter way, where I don't need to repeat S?
Okay, it must be clarified how the OR operator works. It is a Boolean operator, so it works in a Boolean context. If the values are not Boolean, they are converted to Boolean for the purposes of the operator. Note that the OR operator does not return only true or false. Instead, it returns the first operand if the first operand evaluates to true, and it returns the second operand if the first operand evaluates to false. In this case, the expression x or y returns x if it is true or evaluates to true when converted to Boolean. Otherwise, it returns y. For most cases, this will serve for the very same purpose of C#'s null-coalescing operator, but keep in mind, if you use your variable s to hold something that is either a reference to the instance of a class or none, as long as your class does not define members _non0_ and _len_, it is secure to use the same semantics as the null-coalescing operator. In fact, it may even be useful to have this side effect of Python. Since you know what values evaluates to false, you can use this to trigger the default value without using none specifically, an error object, for example. In some languages this behavior is referred to as the Elvis operator.
Strictly. Otherwise, s equals false will become default value, which may not be what was intended. If you want to make this shorter, try.
Here's a function that will return the first argument that isn't none. Reduce might needlessly iterate over all the arguments even if the first argument is not none, so you can also use this version. In case you need to chain more than one null conditional operation such as model ? Data ? First. This is not a problem easily solved with OR. It also cannot be solved with .get, which requires a dictionary type or similar, and cannot be nested anyway, or getter, which will throw an exception when non-a-type doesn't have the attribute. The relevant PEP considering adding null coalescing to the language is PEP 505, and the discussion relevant to the document is in the Python ideas thread.